Welcome to Unique Auto Hunter. Here I found another unique car for you. The Corvette C8 was the first production Corvette to have a rear mid-engine configuration. It was also GM's first rear mid-engine production car since the 1984 Pontiac Fiero. The base engine was a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 called the LT2, which generates 465 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque when equipped with either the Performance Exhaust Package or Z51 Performance Package. The C8 was the first Corvette to be offered without a traditional manual transmission, while the convertible was the first Corvette with a retractable hardtop. In January 2020 the car became the most expensive charity vehicle that week at the Barrett-Jackson auction, selling for $3 million. The proceeds of the sale went to the Detroit Children's Fund. The LT2 saw fuel management system upgrades for the 2022 model year, which featured a new fuel pump and injectors. The base price was also increased by $1,200. A new IMSA GTLM Championship Edition package, limited to 1,000 units, was introduced for 2022. The Corvette C8 Z06 is expected to debut in the 2023 model year. It will feature a 670 horsepower, 5.5-liter, naturally aspirated DOHC flat-plane crank V8. This engine, the LT6, is the most powerful naturally aspirated production V8 engine. The Z06 is redlined at 8,600 RPM and feature the same dual-clutch transmission as the Stingray, albeit with gearing changes specific to the performance of this model. The Corvette C8 Review was unveiled on January 17, 2023, as an expected 2024 model year. It will be the first Corvette to include electric components. The hybrid powertrain features a combined 655 horsepower generated from a 6.2L LT2 V8, coupled with an e-motor powering the front wheels. Please subscribe and support this channel to go out to find unique cars for you so you can watch and learn about them.